I'm gonna devour this. Devour it like a hot cock. Hey guys, welcome to this very special video. We are doing an unboxing. So we're gonna do an unboxing slash little mukbang with Junior's, one of my favorite restaurants when I was a fat bitch. I'm still a favorite now. We ended up getting a Fat Boy and a poutine. Now, if you're not from Canada, you've probably heard of poutine in America, but I don't think you guys have it. I just feel like you guys think it's crazy. Oh my god, look at that. Ooh, doesn't that look so good? Okay, I'm gonna do something right now that might be a little whatever, but your girl's single, right? Your girl's single. Like, say I'm with my boyfriend or my husband and I get my little thing like this, right? Well, I mean, any normal person would like wipe it, but I would probably be like, licking it. Now, my boyfriend or my husband might think that's like crazy. They're like, why are you doing that? That's not very civilized. And I'd be like, if I was alone, I could be doing it without any judgment. Anyway, I feel like when you're in a relationship, you kind of have to put those idiosyncrasies aside for them. Anyway, that's just me. Okay, so we close the window because it is just too crazy with the background noise. Ugh. Last video, you could see my unmade bed and it's kind of bothering me, but I don't have time to clean it or make it. Let me know in the comment section if you guys have tried poutine before. I mean, I prefer fries with chili, but poutine is just something so Canadian about it. I feel like also I was chewing weird in my last video. I feel like the way I chew looks very weird. So I'll try and chew proper. I think it's my teeth, because I got my teeth done, so it makes me chew weird now. What do you guys think? Yeah, let me know if you've tried it. If you haven't, I'd like to know. I know most Canadians have tried it. I want to know if any of the non-Canadians have tried it. So before we go into that, I received this as a gift from. We received this as a gift from a company called Tidelocker. They contacted me via Instagram, and I was like, okay, cool. You know, send away, send away. I'll be honest, I've already unboxed it. I'll leave the unboxing somewhere over here and you can watch it while I talk about it. But it arrived in like pristine condition. I mean, the box, the shopping bag, things like the receipt and things like that, I just kind of tossed out because I feel like, I don't know, nobody really wants like a Hong Kong, China receipt. So I tossed that out, but it did come with it. But like you'll see in the unboxing momentarily, it's, you guys know I've owned a lot of real Chanel, authentic Chanel, which is real Chanel. I've thrifted Chanel where I wasn't sure if it was authentic. It ended up being authentic, and I thrifted some Chanel that I thought was authentic, but didn't get it authenticated, but it was such good condition or quality. I have to say this bag is probably like a 10 out of 10. I've owned Chanel flaps before, and just the quality, and like sometimes when you receive bags in the mail from like China and shit, like sometimes you'll get that smell of like chemical smell or a strong scent. And even like at the thrift store, I've thrifted some things that you know came from China, maybe like, I don't know, Alibaba, and you smell it and it smells like chemicals. This smells like leather. Like, ugh. We'll talk more about the bag. I just want to show you guys. So it came in the box, and it's the magnetic flap one. And everything was wrapped pristinely. It was wrapped in tissue paper. There were stickers all over everything. And this was on it, but here. Well, here is the bag and the dust bag. It's drawstring. And then you have like the care cards, care booklet. I remember my authentic Chanel came with that as well. This was on the zipper inside, and I took that off. Came with all this felt, and I remember my authentic Chanel also came with a lot of felt. And the ribbon. And this bigger kind of booklet. and then the tissue paper. So it came with like everything. I hope we don't get it on the bag. Oh my God, look at that guy. It looks so good. Ugh, poutine is just so satiating. Here's the bag. There's like the font. Oh, I got gravy on it. I thought my hands were all gravied out. This is the bag. Isn't it beautiful? Oh my goodness. It is the Chanel medium large flap. It smells so luxe. Like, look at it. You have the back pocket there. The graining on the leather is very nice. Even like the sheen on it, on point. Stickers on there. Let's take that off. There we go. There is a Chanel. Turn lock closure. It's the double flap. It has a zip right here. This is a correct zip, and the pull, I know that for sure because I've owned one before. And it's, you can just put like receipts in here, maybe a pen, but really it's not very functional. Then you have the back slip pocket. Right there. And then the button snap. Oh, look at that C. Ooh, and it's such really nice leather. And even like that stamping, look at that. That stamping is on point. It is on point. Call it Mr. Pointy Head. And instead of a serial number, this actually is with a that thing right there, the chip, microchip, right there. And then you have the front pocket here too, right there. And like this is labeled Chanel, and that's the correct screw head as well. This I would give like a 10 out of 10 in quality. Like, it is quality. Like, I would literally walk into Chanel with this with no problemo. It even has those two little indent things right there. Like, that's correct. So it's like a beigey yellowy color. So I love it. I normally wouldn't buy a beige bag, so I'm glad I got this for free. So, but yeah, the condition, the quality is perfect. Oh, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10. Best Chanel bag I've seen ever. And even there's a side there, back, side, again. I'll leave all their info in the comment section, so if you're interested. Ooh, so nice. It is so hot here today. It is like literally 30 degrees Celsius. I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit, but I really like the bag a lot, like a lot. But the thing is, for me, I don't know if I would wear it as an everyday bag. I never really wore my flaps as an everyday bag before. So I guess it's more like a formal bag, or if you want to look bougie. Wow, I just inhaled that without even chewing much. I don't even know how much that is brand new now. I think at Chanel, the medium large is like $10,000 Canadian, I think. I remember in 2012 when I bought my for a Chanel flap. They had the Chanel medium large for $4,000. Was it $4,000 or $4,400? Around there. That was 2012. And I thought that was super expensive. So I opted for the limited edition flap. And that one was $3,300. So it was like $1,100 cheaper. So I was like, ugh, I don't want to spend $4,400 on a medium flap. But if I knew then what I knew now, I would have bought like a ton of them and just held on to them. So good. That's the place where we're eating right now. I'll leave their Instagram up here too. Oh my god. I could eat like this is a small. I could eat a large. So good. I do this. I don't care who's watching. I scoop it into my mouth. I was supposed to go to the beach today, but I chickened out. But it's going to be a really hot weekend next weekend, so I might go to the beach then. And let's take a look at the bag again. Oh, everything is just top-notch quality here, guys. Everything is just perfection, well-made, taken time to put everything and make everything. Everything is presentable, like presented nicely. I'm trying to balance my bag over there. I mean, it's just like a good company. So definitely check them out. Everything was packed in perfection. It also came with a shopping bag, so keep that in mind. I love my new bag, so thank you, Tidelocker. I appreciate it. It's so beautiful, so bougie, and I hope other people can see how beautiful it is, and I hope it's translating on camera. It is just amazing. I love it. Okay, here's a burger. I feel like in time, as time went on, the burger got smaller, but I still love the burger. It is pretty much a burger with mayo, tomato, onions, lettuce, pickles, chili, and cheese. So that's what it looks like. Whew. I'm gonna devour this. Devour it like a hot cock. It almost feels good as good as sex. Whenever things fall off onto the foil, I always pick it up and eat it. You guys do that too. I don't like wasting. Delectable. Scrumptious. So good. Oh, this is so good. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, the mukbang, and the unboxing. Let me know what you guys think of the bag. Do you guys own a Chanel Jumbo, just Chanel Medium Large, or Chanel Mini? And would you pay the prices that they're charging right now? I feel like they actually just had an increase in Europe, and they upped the price in Europe because they don't want North Americans to go over there and pay for it cheaper. Because the dollar, like the American dollar, is so strong. I think that's ridiculous. They're ridiculous. Chanel, if I was rich, I probably won't even support their brand just because of that. I don't like the fact that they're, like, that's a new level of price gouging in my opinion. Like, as a reseller, I should be a little bit more understanding of that. As a business, you can price whatever you want, but I think that's just insane. Insane, especially when they're trying to, like, segregate the wealthy from, that's what I feel like they're doing. They're segregating the wealthy who can afford it from, like, the people who work hard to save up their money to buy it. Love you. Don't forget to remain positive, productive, and progressive. Keep manifesting those dreams because they will come true, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.